We're using the Pythagorean theorem on word problems. So these are situational. A certain television is advertised as a 20-inch TV. That's the diagonal length. Diagonal. That's what would be kind of like the hypotenuse. If the width of the TV is 16 inches, how many inches tall is the TV? All right, so you have to draw these. So we have a diagonal. That's 20. Everything's in terms of inches, so our units I can just kind of let go and make sure they're included at the end, and they are. And we have width. Well, you call that this side right here is 16. And then how tall is it? How tall? Okay, so just do your best to draw it. It has to make a right triangle. So this is our unknown. Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 20 has to be the c. And then a and b doesn't matter. I'll call this a, and I'll call this b. So now I have a is what I'm looking for, squared, plus 16 squared equals 20 squared. All right, so a squared plus 16 times 16, 256, equals 4 with 2 zeros. Okay, minus 256 from both sides, solving for a. And 144. How do we get rid of the square? Square root. Don't forget your plus and minus. Whenever you undo an even power, it has to have the plus or minus. We drop the minus because we're talking about length. That's the logic involved. The square root of 144 is 12. So there it is right there. He drew his triangle the other way. It doesn't matter. Just do your best to kind of use the logic of the problem, the wording of the problem to draw your triangle first and then fit the Pythagorean theorem to it. Okay, good luck on these.